section A11, group 6, and here to present our project. My name is Lim Robert Brandon. This is
Kapulong Mario Antonio.
I'm Bagono Joshua Domerly.
and so here I am going to present to you our GUI. First, we are going to set up our hardware, which is clicking this button. And by clicking it, we are going to wait and see. And this is the result. Hardware setup is complete. After that, we are going to calibrate our sensors by clicking this button. And we're going to adjust the light of the LED. After getting the desired lighting, we're going to press the button over here with the stick. After pressing, it shows us a graph.
Then
We're going to press it again. It shows the light source threshold. This is the graph. If we cover it like this, the sensor follows.
press the button.
Press the button again. Calibrating is complete. And here we're going to present the demo for our project. This is the international Morse code that we embedded on our program, which we coded. This is for A, which is dot dash, B, and so on. So here we have Kapulong, who will be demonstrating how we are going to receive the message by clicking this button. And then he will show us the result appearing on the screen, as well as how he does it. The result gives us a A. What he did was a dot and a dash. Try another. He gave us a E, which corresponds to a dot only. Another, and the next one he did was a two dashes, which gives us a letter M. After that, we stop the demo of the receive by pressing this button. Shows us this graph, which is in voltage and versus time, voltage or time. Then we go to the transmit message. By clicking this button, the program transmits a message which indicates a MATLAB word via LED signal display. After it finishes its Morse code display, it terminates itself by telling us that transmitting message is complete, which we are about to show you afterwards. Transmitting message is complete. Thank you for being with us, watching this video. This is Group 6.